Hi, today I'm off to the Seagull Centre. It's in Thames. It's a recycling centre. I was on Facebook just earlier today and someone has just moved house and they forgot their hose that connected their washing machine. They left it in their old house and they've moved to Thames. So they put a call out there asking if anyone had a spare hose for the washing machine, and a few people suggested the Seagull Centre. So I thought, it's a beautiful day, let's go to the Seagull Centre. So here we go. It's a beautiful day. The daisies are growing. Let's go on a road trip. Sunflowers on the steering wheel. Let's go. Wow. Whew. That's nice. Just brought some new chairs like this. Could have come here. Furniture. Ooh. $100. Wow. Look at this. $50. Don't know why I'm whispering, I'm the only one here. Look at this beautiful furniture. Oh, I like these. $35 each. They look very comfortable. Oh, very tempting.
We'll try out on the shopping out there. You can see the orange light tickets coming out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then so along there, it's just like shopping, but then it's a little further.
Look at this stuff. Beautiful. Glasses. $12 for the set. Very cute. Seagull pricing. All different stickers. My teapot. Sheds with different things. I think there's books in there. Electronics and whiteware. There's videos there. Electronics in there. Looks like clothes at the end. Kids books. Can't quite see in there. We'll go in there in a minute. Look at this. Stuff for your fridge. There's all sorts of stuff. There's all that over there in that shed. Wow, you could spend hours here. Someone on Facebook did say, if you come here, you're going to get addicted. Books. Even somewhere to sit down. clothing, $2.
All businesses were set alight on Saturday and Sunday. Queensland after their inflatable catamaran was attacked.
Wow. I've picked up 2 pillowcases so far. Ooh, I need a life jacket for my new sport. Going to be doing pedal boarding. I need a life jacket. Chairs, more glasses, helmets for your bike, cabinets, tables. You can pick up anything here. Rehouse your house on a budget. $0.50 each. If you've broken your microwave plate, grab another one for $1. There's at least 5 stacks of them. What an amazing place. Well, I must say, this place is amazing. You can collect anything for your house, inside and out. Wow. If you're ever in Thames, come down here. It's just beside the refuge centre, which is behind me, where everyone is going. Okay. It's an awesome place. I definitely will be coming back. So I'm back home with my pillowcases. This one is about a pillow fight. Huh. And this is another one. It's yellow. So the Seagull Centre is amazing. Really loved it, and I definitely will go back.